everybody and welcome at a new episode of Camping Savio Plus. We are going to teach you today a new happy disco dance. My name is Marijn.
My name is Daan.
And my name is Dani.
Okay, so I hope you trained a little bit and I hope you're ready. Let's go. So we're going to start with the most difficult part. We're going to shake with the shoulders to the front on 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then to the front and the back we jump. 5, 6, cross, 7, 8. Yes, very good. Then we have 1 and 2. From there to the side. 3 and 4 and you go to the side. 5 and 6 and disco dancing. Okay, very good. We have it. Okay, all together to the side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7. Other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and. Okay, this was the most difficult part. So let's try it all together from the beginning. Okay? Everybody, that was a very good job. Now please practice this at home and then the next time and maybe this summer you can come dance with us on stage. Okay, if you like this video then please don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Camping Savio Plus. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.